I don't want to come across salesy. Have you ever thought it, or have you ever said those words? I want you to be really honest with yourself. And I want you to ask yourself how many wealthy people that you look up to would even think that way. After meeting and working with multiple 7 and 8 figure CEOs and running my own 7-figure business, I can tell you it's these beliefs that will stop you from growing your business. I'm Usman Kayani and I own a leading sales consulting and training business. I've built multiple 7 and 8 figure sales teams, and I've helped over 200 people break over 7 figures a year with sales teams. We want to be liked. We want others to respect us. We don't want to be seen as another person who's trying to make a dollar. We have this notion in our head that if we're seen as selling, it's so negative. There's a mindset shift that needs to happen if you want to make money. It's no different to when some guy comes up to you in the gym and is like, I want to gain muscle, but I don't want to get too big. Or some woman says, I want to get my thighs a bit bigger, but I don't want to squat too heavy. Do you think a couple of squats is going to make you jacked? Do you know how long it takes? The same way as when you're selling on the phone. Do you think if you ask someone, hey, I can help you with this, would you like to buy this from me? They're going to think that you're a dickhead just trying to sell. No, if you have a genuine product, if you don't ask the question, no one's going to buy anything from you. You have to be able to get that out of your head. Think about anyone who's got money. They don't hold back in their mind. When they think that they can help someone, they ask. If I know that I can help someone's business, is it not my moral duty to say to them, hey, I can help you with this. I can help you with your goal. You have a constraint in your business. Do you know, I speak to business owners all the time. And the one thing that's in their head all the time is, I just need to hire better sales reps. It's not about hiring better sales reps. It's about you knowing how to actually manage and train them and lead them. But we have to sell to these business owners, saying to them that, we're going to get you the sales reps. And we have the sales reps there. We'll give them the sales reps. But then we look into their business and it was actually, they had no onboarding, no training, no systems, nothing in place for these people who are coming into their business to see success. And this notion that you're coming across salesy. Do you know how many online businesses that we've worked with now? A lot of large influencers, amazing marketers, and they don't give power to a salesperson. They think in their mind that a salesperson is negative. If someone calls my customers to say, hey, do you want to buy this thing? It's a negative thing. If you don't call anyone and say, would you like to buy this thing? No one's going to buy it. Let me give you an example. You know when you go to a cafe and that one cashier knows to ask every single person, would you like a muffin with that? Do you know 30% of people will take the muffin? Is this cashier salesy? Is he doing a bad job? This person who's on there? No, it's their job to ask, because some people genuinely want a muffin and want to eat it, but it's your job to ask it. And do you know, on a sales call, it's the same thing. You've got someone on a sales call, you learn about them, you learn about their problems, and you ask them, is this something that you want help with? Do you know, if you think that's salesy and that's negative, you're not going to make any money. So you have to be able to clear your mind of that and just think very honestly. If someone needs my help, I'm going to sell to them. Repeat it back to me. If someone needs my help, I'm going to sell it to them. If someone needs my help, I'm going to sell it to them. And if you don't think this way, no one will buy your shit, and your business that you have, it's not going to grow. All those people, all those salaries that you need to pay for, no one's getting paid dick because you are scared to ask for money. So the first thing that you do is get that out of your mind. And just when you're training your sales team, when you're hiring your sales team, you train them for your core values. You train them to say, right, these are our values. Look, what are my values for our business that all of our staff believe in, from the editor to the sales rep to the manager? Well, it's integrity, it's commitment to your success, it's proactive speed of execution. And by us living and breathing them, we know that no one's going to get done wrong on the phone. If someone comes onto the phone and we have our core values and we've hired the right way, everyone's going to represent the business in the right way. So there's been genuine times where someone's come onto the phone with us and I can't help them because they don't have leads. So you know what we tell them? You're not ready right now. Go and get some leads and we'll help you after. We'll then show you how to build a sales team and we'll send them away. But then when they have the leads and they just sat there, some girl was speaking to us the other day. She had 800 leads just sat there and they've not been sold to. Of course, I'm going to say to her, these 800 leads are costing you money. If you don't sell to them, they're just going to go somewhere else. They wanted this product or course from you. They're now just going to go to somebody else and get it from them because you were scared to sell to them. You were scared to pick up the phone. You were scared to come across salesy. So you have to be able to get these ideas out of your head. Selling is serving. And to serve someone, you have to be able to help them by actually asking them the question, Are you interested in actually fixing this problem? We can help you with X. Would you like some help with that? That's not salesy. What you've done is you've looked at the extreme case of sales reps who just bully people on the phones and thought that's your version of selling. That's not the only version. That's just one extreme way. That's like looking at all Muslims and thinking they're terrorists because like there's a couple of crazy nutcases out there. So you've got to get this out of your head. It's very clear what you need to do. You need to learn about how not to come across salesy, and that's by you genuinely believing that you want to help people. And if you could genuinely believe that, people will buy from you.